Hi, I'm Caroline.
And I'm Julia.
And today on So Healthy a Kid Can Cook It, we're going to be taking over this channel.
Taking over the channel. Taking over the channel. Taking over the channel. So it's Cherish's birthday today.
And she wants a chocolate cake. Nothing can go wrong with chocolate.
And she can have gluten.
So we're going to make her a gluten-free chocolate cake.
If she has gluten, she'll fart.
A lot.
A lot.
So let's get this show on the road. For this recipe, you'll need...
Look in the description box for all the ingredients and recipe.
That's okay.
My first time.
I know. Now this is really heavy, so 2 hands.
I will do 2 hands, don't worry. Oh shoot, that is. Oh no, I got some on my finger.
Okay. There we go. Good job.
It sounds like a blanket.
It does sound like a blanket.
I think they're home.
Maybe they're leaving. Who knows? Alright, you want to go wash off your hand? I can put the sugar in there. You just got flour. Okay.
I'm a fat man.
Are you ready for this part? This is the exciting part. We're gonna stir this.
Okay, wait, maybe can I?
Yes, I'm just getting it set up. Alright, so you're gonna push this to 2, okay? 2. Oh, it's not plugged in. Oh, we forgot to put in the cocoa.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Well,
All
we
right.
can make that together. It's okay.
Here, one sec. Let's unlock it. Can you unlock the side there?
Oh, I didn't.
Lift it up.
Oh, it's heavy.
Oh, it is heavy. Alright, that's why. Okay, it's a chocolate cake. It's a chocolate cake. So now we gotta do that again. We gotta re-stir out everything.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Oh shoot, I was gonna do it.
You got it? You got it? This way.
Oh, ew. This is gross.
I agree, this is gross.
Vanilla, we love you, Vanilla. Ooh.
Alright, now we gotta...
Ew, it looks weird. It's like yellow. Ew.
Yes. Lock it, and we gotta put it on 4 for 2 minutes.
Boom, yeah.
Boom, yeah.
Ooh, yummy.
Oh, look it. Ooh, that is hot.
You can feel that for your apron.
Mm-hmm. Alright.
But wait!
What?
A cake isn't a cake about frosting.
Oh. But we don't have any frosting.
Well, then we'll have to make some.
Oh!
For the icing, you'll need...
Go back and look at the description box. Keep going. Keep looking at the description box.
Now for the butter.
You got it?
Stuck. Now this weird
It's vanilla.
Okay, well now vanilla.
And you're gonna beat it all together. Dump in the cocoa powder. And then we're gonna add in a little bit of powdered sugar at a time. You got it?
Yep.
You're good at this. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this.
Ooh, that's
Put
good.
maybe that much powdered sugar first.
It looks like it's having a rough time. Now guys, never add more milk if it doesn't need any more milk. And you don't want to use the actual whole bottle of milk. You want to do it by a glass, a small glass. Ooh, that feels like slime.
It's a little clumpy. We should keep it in there for longer. Alright.
Taste test. I'm going to take this right here.
Mmm.
That's some good frosting.
That's good frosting.
To spread this lower like cakey cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cherish. Happy birthday to you.
Blow. Make a wish. You did it. Don't forget to like
And subscribe.
for more recipes. Hi, my name is Caroline,
And I'm Julia.
and we are Cherish's sisters.
Yes. We are Cherish's sisters.
And today, on So Healthy a Kid Can Cook It, we're going to be taking over the channel.
Taking over the channel. Taking
Wh-
over the
which is-
channel.
which is
Taking
kind-
over the channel.
Kinda all her videos. Kinda all her videos.
Kind of all her videos. We're stealing all her videos.
Yeah, I
We're
guess.
stealing all her videos.
We're stealing all her videos. We're stealing all her videos. Oh gosh,
Alright.
I become all that fast.
So it's Cherish's birthday today.
Well, tomorrow.
But by the time it's uploaded, it's going to be today.
Okay, so. Okay.
And then you gotta stir all that in, so maybe
That
put
may-
it on 4 again?
Or 6.
4. No, Caroline, let's do 4.
Oh
Oh, no.
Me too. I didn't need to.
It's okay.
I didn't know.
We'll clean it up.
Now I have another
You
blooper.
got a little in your hair.
Now I have another blooper, I guess.
Uh-huh.
Go shawty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. Go shawty.
Taking over the channel. 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 Are we done?
Yeah,
Taking over the channel. Okay.